To emulate a dice, I'll use this code snippet. I'm invoking Math.random and then saving it to a variable. This value is now between 0 and 1, and I'm gonna console log to confirm it. Now I'll multiply my random number with 6. The returned value is a decimal, so I'll use the Math.round method to round it to the closest integer. And now I'll console log the value of the rounded variable. What if Math.random returns, say, 0.01? In this case, I'd get a 0 back, but I want my dice to return a range of numbers between 1 and 6. I could round up to the closest higher integer using Math.ceil instead of Math.round. Indeed, I get back a 1, but I'm not fully done with my dice emulator. Remember that Math.round returns a range of numbers from 0 to 1, which means that in the rare case of Math.random returning a 0, the rounded up number using Math.ceil would still be a 0. The solution for this is to replace Math.ceil with Math.floor and then add a +1 to the result. So I'll delete line number 2, remove the comment from line number 1, and add a 1 to this expression. And I'll replace Math.ceil with Math.floor. I'm pretty sure that this code will work, but let me also test it by replacing Math.random with a few values. If I make it a 0, the result is a 1. With 0.01, the result is still a 1. And 0.99 returns a 6. And that's it. I've built a 6-sided dice emulator, so now I can top it off by turning it into a function. I'm invoking the dice function on line 6, but I can run it as many times as I want by pressing the run code icon right here that looks like a play button. So yeah, there you have it. This test also confirms that the range of returned numbers is between 1 and 6, which means that my dice works.